Do you want your Google Slides to look better? Do you want your Google Slides to be something that your audience is going to pay attention to? Well, this video is for you. This video is about the potential that you can have if you upgrade your Google Workspace from Starter to Standard, which I did that this past week, and I'm discovering the benefits of the upgrade. And one of the benefits is the power that Google Gemini brings to your Google Slides. Now, I'm not a graphics guy. I try, but when I create Google Slides, I'm usually pretty simple. And sometimes I may put an image, go get an image from, pictures that I've taken, or buy an image from Deposit Photos, or I may use some clip art, which I try not to do. But generally, my presentations are pretty simple. And I use animations a lot so that I can take and make sure that, my slides show up and are easy to read, et cetera, et cetera. But again, they're generally pretty bland. But this morning, when I was creating this presentation that I want to talk about, I decided to use Google Gemini with my Google Slides, and look what happened. I took each individual slide one at a time, and I converted it. Instead of this, Gemini helped me create this. Now, it's an image. It's not going to show up the same way. The whole thing's going to show up on the screen at one time because this is all one image. But each one of these text slides, I went to Gemini and I said, help me beautify, it's their words, not mine, each of these slides. And it created this imagery. Again, it's an image. I really would rather have each one of these little squares be an image overlaying it so I can bring them up one at a time, but I may have to do some work to make that happen. But this is basically all I had to do to make this work. Again, you need Google Workspace Standard or above. Google Workspace Starter doesn't have this feature. But what you get is this. You click on any one of your slides. Now, if you haven't turned it off, you'll have the Beautify the slide option down here. But if it's not down here, you just go up to slide and beautify the slide. And it fires off Gemini. And let's do a timer. And this is what I got. Look, a little bit less than a minute. And boom, this is what I get. I get this graphic right here. Not bad. Pretty nice looking. Again, I can insert it as a new slide. I can overlay it on top of what's there. I'm going to insert it as a new slide. So you can see it's that or it's this. I think this is absolutely fabulous. And by the way, I haven't even started scratching the surface of using Gemini because I can come down here and I've got other features. I've got to go experiment with this in order to figure out what is all of the power I have here. I haven't played with infographic. So maybe I want to play with that. I haven't played with image, even though this slide it created is just an image. But it's pretty interesting and definitely way better looking than that. Hey, my intent is this, to let you know that there is value in upgrading from Google Workspace Starter to Google Workspace Standard. It's twice the cost per user, but you get more space and you get more tools to make your Google Workspace work better for your business. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I hope this is helpful for you.